This week on Adulting Without Supervision, we're going to unbox and do the basic setup for the J5 Create Live Capture Adapter. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and just get the instruction manual over with real quick. If you don't need this, obviously go ahead and skip, but if you do, here it is. Now that everything's out of the box, we're going to go ahead and set up our live capture adapter. For my setup, I have a Nintendo Switch that I want to record some gaming on. So we're going to hook the HDMI cord from the Switch into the adapter. Then we're going to take the cable that has one side with the USB-C and the other side that has the normal USB and start hooking it up by taking the USB Type-C and connecting it to the host port. And if you're confused at all about what a USB-C type is, it's the round one. Then all that's left on the hardware side is just to connect the USB into the back of your computer. Now it does say for the best results to connect it to a USB 3, which Josh says it's the blue one. I'm not sure what that means. So I just connected into one of them and so far it's been working. So here we have, to the best of my ability, a step-by-step setup of Streamlabs OBS, which you may have to use in order to capture anything at all. It does not come with its own system, so you'll have to download a system to use. Here we're going to set up our screen that is going to be recording our gameplay. If your gaming screen is black, don't worry, you just need to turn the system on and it should pop up when you add it. After clicking done, you're going to want to select some of the highlighted areas to move them around to where you could get a nice picture and get things the way you want it. When it comes to setting up your audio, you don't have to add the microphone. I just went ahead and added it because I'm eventually going to try and stream, but we're not even going to get anywhere near streaming this time. We're just setting things up for basic recording of gaming. So here, I've changed my audio levels, and I think they sound pretty decent. Well, that's it for this week, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.